Welcome to Maa Narayani Construction, presenting our ongoing project by Maa Narayani Construction near Utkal Heights, backside of Audi showroom. This elegant two-floor extension is being developed on a 2,200 square feet plot, with a total construction area of 4,100 square feet. Designed with modern architecture, robust structural strength, and a focus on maximum space utilization, this home is a true reflection of our commitment to quality and innovation. At Maa Narayani Construction, we are with you every step of the way, from your layout plan design to delivering your dream home right into your hands. Discover full project details on our official website, msmaanarayaniconstruction.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Save our number 9938441501 and call us today to schedule a site visit. Thank you.